I'm Dave Beck. I'm from University of Wisconsin-Stout. I'm an Associate Dean and Director of the School of Art and Design. I'm also the Program Director of the Game Design BFA, and I was the instructor for Evren that was developed over the course of the last year and was presented and then won the Best Visuals at the Intel University Games Showcase last night. The Game Design Development Program at UW-Stout is really unique because it actually has two different programs that exist on their own, a Computer Science Bachelor of Science and an Art and Design Bachelor of Fine Arts, all focused on making art and creating programming content for games. They take lots of different classes on their own, but then they come together every year in one big class and they form teams based on their specializations. We have one of the largest schools of art and design in the area, in the Midwest, with over 1,000 students. So many of our students end up being very accomplished in the arts as well, which is probably attributed to why we won Best Visuals. They came up with this pitch, of course, this idea, pitched it. And then from there, what I was really amazed with Evren's team was how much they gelled. They were always there working late at night. They were working on the weekends, getting together constantly outside of class and work as well, just to have fun and realize that's a big part of being a team and a family as well. So it's probably one of the best, if not the best, teams I've ever worked with and had the pleasure of producing. Evren's a 2D, 3D puzzle platformer game where you play Kaya, an owl that's been separated from her family, trapped in a cave, and you're essentially trying to get out. But then on top of that, there's an underlying narrative to the game that really starts to tell you about and help the player discover that perhaps there was some other type of owl family or group that lived in these caves a long time ago. And it's up to the player to discover that narrative as they're playing through the game. I'm really proud, again, of being able to look at the game and see the quality of the visuals that went into that, both from their traditional fine art background with drawing and painting, all the way up through their 3D modeling skills that they learned in previous classes. So Intel has been extremely helpful and supportive and a crucial part of our game development pipeline for Evren, but also for our program itself. A big part of this is because we have two different computer labs on campus dedicated to game design and development, both of which are powered by Intel technology. We're also very fortunate to be able to have those computers be industry standard in the game development industry and refreshed every 2 years. So we're seeing the latest and greatest processing power coming from Intel every couple years, which again, I really believe that we would not be able to make a game like Evren without that type of technology. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Evren or the Game Design Development Program at University of Wisconsin-Stout, you can go to uwstout.edu/game design.